Hey, today I'll show you how to nail the palm spin, a sleek pen spinning trick. Let's get started. Start by holding the pen horizontally in your hand with your palm facing up. Find a comfortable balance where the pen rests naturally between your thumb and fingers. The key is to position your hand at just right, slightly cupped, so the pen can spin freely without rolling off. With a quick, controlled flick of your thumb, set the pen spinning on its axis. As it spins on your palm, your job is to keep your hand steady, making minor adjustments to maintain the spin. The smoother and more controlled your flick, the longer the pen will spin. Once you feel confident in the spin, catch the pen with your fingers to finish off the move. The palm spin is a fantastic trick to master, showcasing your control and finesse. This move is all about control and precision, and it's a great way to add some flair to your spinning skills. Whether you're just starting out or looking to perfect your technique, this tutorial will guide you through the essentials. Let it spin smoothly, then catch it with your fingers for a clean finish. Practice until the spin is smooth and controlled. Keep practicing and you'll be spinning like a pro in no time. Subscribe before you go.